Water-miscible cooling lubricants can have their application properties altered by disruptive factors. To ensure cost effectiveness and minimize risks to users, regular monitoring is necessary. Why should you take monitoring seriously in addition to legal requirements such as TRGS 611? Health protection. Contaminated or incorrectly adjusted cooling lubricants can lead to skin irritations, respiratory diseases, and other health problems. Process stability. Monitoring ensures that the coolant concentration, pH value, and other parameters remain within optimal ranges, resulting in better tool life, surface quality, and dimensional accuracy of the workpieces. Cost savings. By actively avoiding failures that are often caused by faulty cooling lubricants and by carefully optimizing coolant consumption, significant costs can be effectively saved. Only by diligently selecting the absolutely right coolant and precisely monitoring the critical coolant parameters can the lubricant truly achieve its optimal performance and deliver maximum efficiency. This gives you a system that keeps your machining process in the ideal operating range over a long period of time. And despite the effort required for monitoring, you will clearly see significant economic benefits.